Hello everyone, this is Krishi Gupta. My roll number is 20MA20027. So this is the assignment 4 of DIY, where in the first part we have to work on Arduino motors in Proteus software, and in the second part we need to use the Node-RED software to carry out the visual representation of sensors. So this is the part 1 of the assignment where I have opened the Arduino motor, and here you can observe how different parts are integrated in order to demonstrate the working of motor. So this is the L298 driver, which can support and run the two DC motors, as you can see here, at the same time, in clockwise as well as the anti-clockwise direction. But for this experiment, using one motor is enough. So as you can see, there are the four inputs: input 1, 2, 3 and 4. The function of the input 1 and 2 is basically to control the rotation of the motor, and there is also enable A and enable B. So the function of enable A is used to provide power to the motor. So now we can go to the source code, and as you can see, I have written the code and I have compiled it successfully. So now I can go to the schematic capture, and here I can run the program. So as you can see that the motor starts rotating in the clockwise direction, and you can see the speed here. You can also rotate the motor in the anti-clockwise direction by changing the code. So for that we need to stop the program, go to the source code, and here instead of high we need to give it low. Now I can build it again. As you can see, it is compiled successfully. So now we can run this program. Now here you can see it is now rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. So this is the part 1 of the assignment. So this is the part 2 of the assignment. Now in the second part, I have opened the Node-RED and made the water level controller and the gas pressure controller. So for the water level controller, I have used the dashboard and slider and gauge options, and I have modified the data in the slider option. In the group, I have water level as default, and the range is from 0 to 100, and in the gauge part I have modified the data as the range to 0 to 100, and in the color gradient from 0 to 30 it will be green, from 30 to 60 it will be yellow, and from 60 to 100 it will be red. And for the gas pressure controller, I have used the dashboard and then the slider and the chart bar option. So in the slider, this is the range from 0 to 100, 0 to 40, and from in the gas pressure, that is a chart node, and these are the data that I have modified. So now I have deployed it successfully, and I can see it in the dashboard which I have created. So here you can see, from moving this I can change the chart bar, the gas pressure, and this is the water level controller. Here you can see from 0 to 30 it will show green, and from 30 to 60 it will be yellow, and from 60 to 100 it will be red. So this is the part 2 of the assignment. Thank you.